going on, everybody? Y'all know who it is. It's JJ. You know, back at it like an addict, no rehab. You know, I'm addicted to giving you guys this advice. So y'all know it's Monday. Really happy Monday. But yeah, so they got the Pontiac. They tried to clean up the headlight as best as they could. You know, it came out somewhat good, but it still don't look as good as the new one. You know, they got it all cleaned up. Got us all cleaned up. You know, the little stain in the seat. We ain't go fuss about it. You know, look at that, all clean, carpet clean. It's all cleaned and ready to go. Tires are good. But I appreciate everybody. You know, thank everybody that's subscribed to me. You know, want to thank all you guys that subscribe to me. Thank you all. Hope everybody's having a good week. Want everybody to start their good week off right. You know, enjoy your life, live your life. You know, enjoy life, live life. Be productive. Make it happen. Oh my God, that blend door is so. Blend door actuator is so annoying. Let's go get some pictures of this bad. Let's get some pictures of this bad boy. Go to my little picture spot. Woo! But yeah, I hope everybody's having a good day. You know, hope everybody's having a good day, a good week. I mean, not a good week. The week actually just started, but it might have just started for some people. It might have already begun for some other people. Go to my little picture area. Do we go here? Do the trade? I think we go to my picture area over here. Go to my picture area over here. I'll talk to y'all when we get to the picture area. We finished taking pictures. Hopefully they drop my cars off this week. I ended up buying another car from Backlot, so I got another car coming from Backlot, the 2011 MKZ. It's a little beat up. You know, I like them beat up. We can always restore them, but I got it for a good deal. So it's 2011 MKZ that's coming this week. I got an 08 Nissan Sentra. You know, we like them always beat up. That's coming this week. I got a 04 Chevy Venture van that I just bought. And then I got a 04 Chevy Cavalier that I just bought. So I got 4 cars. Hopefully they'll be here this week. 2 of them, the Cavalier and the Sentra, should have been here last week because I bought them over like on the 5th or the 6th. So it's going on. I guess they couldn't find nobody transporting or coming this way, you know, because I know they kind of try to do it where the person is loading up 3 or 4 cars and coming this way. You know, you don't want the person just going all the way out there and coming back just for like one trip. You rather have them try to, you know, at least make a paycheck and drop one excuse me, in the same area. But I want everybody to have a good week. You know, do something that you enjoy. Find you something that you enjoy. See if you can invest money into what you enjoy doing. You know, look to start investing your money. Get your credit all the way right if you can, because the value of the dollar is, because $20 is nothing these days. You know, now, you know, we used to think $5 and $10 was, you know, $10 used to be gas money. You know, you could give somebody, you know, you could used to give somebody $10, and you know it wasn't bad. You know, you try to get somebody $10. What, you can't do nothing with $10 now. You can't do nothing with $20. $50 doesn't even do anything, you know. $50 doesn't even do anything. That's the crazy thing, you know. What, $50? Because most people nowadays, you know, now that the price of gas is up, you know, I'm not saying this for people that've been experiencing high gas prices the whole time, you know, like the people that live in like states like California and New York, where gas has always been more than the average, you know. You know, here in Oklahoma, it's been low 3, like at the time it was, I remember gas being $1.99, you know, $1.80, like $1.89, you know, $2 and $2.20 and stuff like that. Now it's basically $4, so it's, you know, double the money. And now it's like the gases don't even last as long as it used to. It's like whatever gas they giving out now, this gas don't last like the old gas was lasting. Maybe I don't know. You put 10, you put 20, $30 in the car. That's only a day, maybe a half of a day drive. Day drive depends on where you're going. People are spending hundreds, 200s, and the just filling up their gas tanks. So, man, start investing your money. Start putting your money around. It's good. It's okay to have some. I say get you a good amount in a savings account just to have saved on hand. Invest you some. Because the value of money is like nothing. Because $5 used to be kind of something. $5 ain't even nothing. $10 used to be little. $10 used to be something. You could at least take $10 and buy you a few things. You could go get you a nice couple of items at the store. Now $10 you really can't do much with it. $20 used to be something. Now $20 in gas is what, 3, 4 gallons depending on where you at. 3, 4 gallons, 5 at the max. 5 gallons of gas, that's $20. So, most cars tanks is between average is what, 15 to probably 25 gallon tanks. So you 40, you spending $40, $50, $60, sometimes $80 just filling up. And then the gas is like like watered down or something because the gas ain't. Like I said, invest your money, enjoy this week, start off this week good. You pick you up a book, audio book, a good book that I've been reading, and an audio book that I've been listening to. It's called For Profit. It's kind of just showing you how in your first years in business, how to be able to make profit and put the profit first. Because a lot of times people just get into business and be like, man, I'm not making any profit. It's actually a pretty good read. Good audio book to listen to. It's called For Profit. I forget the author name. But about time I release this video and y'all see it, I'll probably have it pinned in the top comment or pinned somewhere in the description. But happy Monday. Pontiac's posted for sale. Got to put those little clips in there. That's the last thing I did. I got them from the salvage. I just haven't put them in yet, so I'm going to go do that while the car is posted and have it already ready to go. When the customer gets here, but I appreciate you guys for tuning in. If you haven't already, like this video, subscribe. Hopefully these cars come. I was hoping that last week the cars would have come so I could have just showed y'all each vehicle. But now I'm going to get back on here and buy some more vehicles and we're going to keep going to it. Appreciate you guys for tuning in. I'm out. Peace.